How to record your screen with free tools. Very short video. To record your screen you can use pre-installed Windows application Xbox Game Bar, but it has one issue. It cannot record two applications at the same time. Let me show you what I mean. Right now you can see File Explorer and Chrome browser, but on the video you will see only Chrome. This recorder recording only one active application. After this solution, I will show another solution that can record several applications together, and it's also free. To open the recorder, just press Windows G. With this combination you can open the recorder from any application. It can be a game or browser or anything else. Just open any application, press Windows G and click Start Recording. Then you can close it. Do whatever you want, and when you finish, press Windows G and stop recording. After that, you can see the result in the video list, or you can find all the videos in the Explorer by clicking this button. If you want to record the whole screens with several active applications, you can use the applications that I use right now. It is free and simple, and it does not have any restrictions or watermarks. How to use Active Presenter you will see in a different video. In conclusion, I would say that there are two simple and free solutions to recording screen for me. If you want to record one application, go with Windows G combination. If with multiple, you can try Active Presenter. Let me know in the comments how you are going to use a screen recorder. Follow me on Facebook and subscribe to this channel now to save your time and money.